Day 282, leaving the Quality Inn. Doing a 20-mile day today. Jen is on her way driving down to pick me up at the end of my 20 miles. We're coming back here to spend the night, and then we'll get up in the morning and she'll drive me down and drop me off, and I'll do my last 10 miles tomorrow morning. And that'll complete my through hike. It's a really weird feeling, actually. So I left a ton of my gear, most of my gear, in the hotel. I got my through hiker pack on. I don't have a day pack, but yeah, we're gonna step this out 20 miles, enjoy a nice slack pack, and then see my wife. She's not gonna recognize me. I've lost a lot of weight. I've lost a lot of weight in this transition this past 3 or 4 weeks, so it's pretty unique. Anyways, all right, 20 miles, here we go. Step it out. Boiling Springs. This is where Purple Knot and I came down in the evening. And we parked the car right over there in that parking lot, a rental car. We walked around this little town. It's pretty. We were just checking out the area. It's a very beautiful area with all the farmlands, and then you get this nice little town nestled in the middle of all the farmlands. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Boy, it was a lot warmer when we were here in August, let me tell you. Wow, was it cold. There's a huge cold front coming in. The temperature's been dropping all day. And yeah, it's been a bit cold. I got all my cold stuff with me, so it's fine. I can get warm, but it's cold. It's only gonna get colder. Tonight it's supposed to be like down in the 1920s down here at night. So, whew, that's pretty cold. Happy to have my hotel room. Well, at least I don't have to ford the river. That's a good thing. Ha! That river. Man, it's some kind of cold out here in this field. Wow. This wind is just cutting right through you. Holy Macarena. Whoo. I don't know. I don't want to stop and put the windbreaker on, because I know as soon as I get in those trees and I get it going over that mountain that I'm coming up on, I'm going to be burning hot. So, trying to step it out, get to the trees and get pumping that hill get pumping and bumping on that hill, boy, we'd be smoking. Sweat would be dripping off me. Just got to get over there. Oh, there goes another snowflake. Literally, another snowflake just went by. Whoo, it is cold. I was talking to a local the other day. They said this is even cold for Pennsylvania. I mean, for lately, I mean, go back 20, 30 years. This is what they used to have, but they haven't had cold weather like this in a long time. Okay, let's not do that again. Oh, I don't even think I get to go in the woods here. I just go along the field some more. Oh God. Wow, spitting snow pretty good now. And I'm telling you, the temperature has dropped 4 degrees across that field. It's probably just because I'm so cold. But now it's snowing on me. Spitting snow. Flurries. It is cold. Did you get that point of that yet? Man. For me to say it's cold, like honestly, whoo, it's cold. Come on, tree line. Come on, hill. Wow. I never thought I'd be wishing for a hill. I need a freaking hill to warm me up. Whoo. Oh, this is a slow, steady march up something. Nice gradual up. Gradual up. Nothing cray-cray. Yet. I know there's one coming. There's one. People are talking about rock scrambles and putting trekking poles away. I'm like, here we go again. See what it's like. Don't dare try it. You're gonna kill yourself if you go up over this mountain. It's the worst thing ever. We'll see. We'll see. There's something special about this center point knob, this monument here. I'm not sure what it is. I couldn't quite figure it out on Far Out last night. There's some podcast you can listen to about a story. I'm not sure what went on up here, but that's where we're at right now, and we're coming off the backside of that, and then we go up through there. I guarantee it. I haven't seen a single blaze. I have no idea if I'm supposed to be up in here or not. None whatsoever. I just don't know. I mean, I haven't found a single blaze other than the one that pointed me up in here. I hate this stuff. Like, I don't mind going through it, but you gotta blaze it, people. You gotta blaze it. Had to pull out Far Out. The trail's over this way somewhere. I don't know where, but Says the trail's over there somewhere, but I have no idea where. I didn't see any blazes directing me over there. Looks like people have been going through here, so we'll go down through here. I'm just totally winging it. I don't even know where I'm going. I figure I get down out of these rocks and then I'll figure it out. Walk through the woods and get around to the trail if I gotta. Oh, I found a blaze. Oh, looks like the trail doesn't even go up in there. It's well blazed going northbound. Going northbound is well blazed. Headed southbound, there ain't no blazes. I was up in them rocks, then you have to be up in there. Trail didn't even go up through there. Just extracurricular activity, that's all. On my final days. Look at all these blazes. Blaze, 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 blaze. Like, come on. Pick a path, I guess. That's fine. I'll pick a path. So cold. I'm actually not cold now. I've been coming up over that hill, but it is so cold out here. Supposed to come up through here? God, I don't know. I'm coming up in here to play in the rocks again. Oh, I see a white blaze. There we go. Yeah, northbound is marked so much better than southbound. But that's not uncommon. That is not uncommon. It's awesome. Today is Black Friday and I have no desire to be shopping. I don't even miss it. Don't even regret it. Not for a second. Little baby Mahoosuc notch up here in Pennsylvania. That's what it is. Nothing crazy, but so far we ain't out of the rocks yet, but that's all this is. A little playground. Little playground they wanted to put into the trail. That's all. That is all. That looks like fun. That's gonna be a ass first junction. So people are practicing rock climbing. I don't know how in the hell you practice rock climbing on that stuff. It goes straight up over the back of your head. Well, that's what it is. Well, that's it. That's it, folks. All over. I don't think there's any more. That was it. Super baby Mahoosuc Notch on top of a mountain just outside of Carlisle, PA. So I have 0.9 miles left. And then I could do another mile or two before Jen gets here, but the trail doesn't go anywhere near a road for 8 miles. And the next place that goes near a road is my finish at Pine Grove Furnace State Park. That's the next time it goes near a road, so I'll walk into the general store and get something warm because I am still freezing. It is cold out here. This is the end of day 282. Just did 19.9 miles from the Quality Inn in Carlisle, right outside of Carlisle, PA, to, I don't know the name of this road. I don't know the name of this road, but it's 7.7 miles to the Pine Grove Furnace State Park, and there's no other road crossings between here and there. So I am done. Jen's an hour out, so I'm going to walk up to the store and just chill out at the store. Hopefully they're open, and I'm going to go from there. But yeah, good stuff. I am tired though. You can see it in my eyes, my face. Very excited, but I'm tired. So tomorrow Jen will drop me off here at this road crossing, and I'll walk the 7.7 miles, and then she'll kill some time, and then she'll celebrate me walking into the finish line. So, all right. Woo! Almost done. Day 283, Appalachian Trail 2024. I am the one. This is my final day, 7.8 miles in the Pine Grove Furnace State Park, and I finished and succeed at my through hike. Let's do it. It's super cold out. It's in the 20s. It's opening day of rifle season, so I'm gonna wear this orange as long as I can to be safe. And all these people are hunters. That's Jen over there. She just dropped me off. 7.8 miles. Let's do it. It's gonna be a very emotional, crazy day for me, but I'll do my best to get through without being too weird and wonky. I haven't been on the trail for 283 days. I have had multiple times off of the trail, but it's 283 days from when we started back in February 19th. So yeah, never thought this day would come. I'm really crazy, emotionally happy, excited, and just nuts. So let's get this 7.8 miles done and into the home stretch. It's going to be about 2.5 hour walk. Let's do it. Wow, this is so surreal. I plan on like doing all kinds of recording and videoing out through here on my GoPro the last final day, and I am just so lost in thought right now. I am just a few more miles from the finish, and I'm just so lost in thought. The trail's been really nice, little rocky, nothing crazy, very pathish. I think I got over the big hump. There was one big hump I had to crawl up over, and then I kind of wobble my way down into Pine Grove Furnace, and that's what I've been doing the past mile or so. And my phone is blowing up with people cheering me on, and I want to pull the phone out, but now's not the time, and I can't walk and try to text people. I don't want to break myself within a mile of the finish. So yeah, so I haven't been responding to them. It's not out of rudeness. I'm just in this zone of walking and stepping, and I don't want to stop. I can't stop. It's like 26 degrees out here, and I'm warm, and I got this inner fire in me just burning so hot right now. It's crazy. And I'm just stepping into the home stretch. So when I get there and finish, I will respond to all the people who love me and are sending me wishes. I'm emotional right now. Like, I never thought this day would come. you're out here so long, and you're out here so long stepping every day, and it's just like, it's like you're never gonna get to that final day. And when the final day is here, it's like it's here. Like, holy smokes, it's here. The final day is here. Like, whoo. Wow, it's just an emotional roller coaster today right now. So yeah, with that, I'll stop being all goofy in the camera, and we'll get this stepped out. And poor Jen's gonna have her hands full when I get to that finish line, boy. I'll just, whoo. Well, Pennsylvania's dishing out a few more rocks before the end. A few more. Home stretch, baby. Home stretch. Woohoo! I think that's the museum right up there. Means we are close. And there she is. Yeah, slow down. She wants to film me. You're gonna cry. She is way too cute. Oh, I love you so much. Woohoo! Still gotta walk over there, but oh, it's so awesome. Oh, it's a little windy here.
Just talk every once in a while.
Woohoo! Take photos next to my congratulations sign. Jen surprised me down there by that building. And I am freezing right now, totally freezing. I am really freezing. Woo! Well, it is finished. Day 283, Transcendent Traipsing. It's too cold out here. Transcendent Traipsing, Appalachian Trail 2024. I am the one. I just finished my through hike here at Pine Grove Furnace State Park. Last time I was here was August 15th, I think it was. We had a half-gallon ice cream, and I've walked my way back here. I'm gonna spare you the emotional meltdown. It's too cold. I'm freezing. I'm too excited. I started this journey. That's a big story. I'll do that some other time. But it's just amazing. It's just amazing to be here and complete this. I do want to give a big thanks to a couple people. The big thanks is, one, to the Lord, to God Almighty. I know without a doubt in my heart, there's no way I could have pulled this off without him. The second huge thanks I give is to my beautiful, wonderful wife, who's standing right there. This mission, this journey would not be possible without her and her support. When I told people I was going to do this trail, some really strange stuff came out of their mouths, like, you know, that's hard, right? And a lot of them said, well, you go ahead and go do the trail. You know, you can do it in sections. It's okay. You start the trail and you come back in sections. And when I started this trail, I was through hiking the trail. And I poured every fiber of my being into this trail. 283 days. Yes, I had some time off. I explained that in my update videos a few days ago. But I poured every fiber of my being into this trail, and I laid it all out. And I wasn't stopping until I broke or I died. And I'm here, and I completed this trail. And even I had moments where I didn't know how I was going to continue, but I continued. And I got this done, and I couldn't be more proud of myself. And me saying those words is so hard for me to say because I get pretty hard on myself. Anyone who truly knows me, it's hard for me to say those words, but I've never been more proud of this accomplishment. For once in my life, I finally fulfilled a dream. I finally fulfilled a dream in my life, and it's just amazing to me. Dreams can come true, and you can make dreams come true, and you just have to make them happen. And I did that. So anyways, with that, the one more thanks I want to give there's two more thanks I want to give. One is to my manager and the associates that backed me while I was out here, and a huge thanks to all my subscribers. You know, I didn't do the videos the way I wanted to do them, and I didn't get them out the way I wanted, but I was reading the comments, and I've never had that kind of positivity in my life. And to have the subscribers support me and give me that positive reinforcement meant a lot to me. So all of you that have been watching my videos and giving me that positive support, know that it meant more to me than you could ever imagine to have that in my life. And I thank you for that. I thank you for that dearly. So anyways, with that, this emotionalness is not sadness. I couldn't tell you how happy I am. It's just who I am. I get emotional. It's who I am. And I will do another video, but I'm honestly too cold right now. So with that, we're going to go celebrate, and it is a huge momentous victory, and I thank you all so much for everything. Keep stepping.
Hello.
Post-trail hiker hunger.
Yes, this is what happens when you take your husband to an all-you-can-eat free continental breakfast. And he eats 3 cheese and egg omelets and 4 sausage links and
A boiled egg.
And is that number 3 or number 4 Fruit Loop?
This is number
cereal
5,
bowl.
easy.
Number 5 bowl of cereal Fruit Loops. And at least a half a pound of peanut butter.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 little cups of peanut butter.
Ay, ay, ay.
And a banana.
And a banana. And if you look behind his shoulder, you can see the Fruit Loops down there.
Zoom in.
See the Fruit Loop thing back there? Right in the middle? Yeah, it was full when we got here. And there's nobody else eating Fruit Loops this morning. Oh boy.
It's a serious problem. What's really crazy is, it reminds me of the time Snow Bear and I went to the Chinese buffet after we had walked. It was like 21 or 22 mile hike. We were going to spend the night out in the woods, but we got like 18 miles through and we're like, no, we're doing it. We're doing the whole thing. So we hiked all the way out. We went to a Chinese buffet, and they had these hoodsy ice cream cups. And I started with 6, 1 chocolate, vanilla, and strawberry. And I'd open all 3 of them, and I'd eat them all at the same time. I opened the other 3, and I went up and got 3 more. No, I went up and got like 4 more. I got like 2 chocolate. I ate all those, had them all stacked up, and I went to go get more. And Snow Bear looked at me and just goes, and then he looks over at the lady at the Chinese place just staring at me. He goes, I'll buy you a Dairy Queen. So we left the Chinese place. We walked across the street, and Snow Bear bought me a Dairy Queen ice cream. True story. It's pretty bad. It's pretty bad out here.